Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet long dresses. So dear friends, for women and girls, most attractive, most amazing, different style, different ideas, same color also, combinations also, multicolor dresses also in front of you. For those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. So dear friends, I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy and stylish, so I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman long dresses and the others like women crochet um, short dresses, bodycon dresses, skirt designs, crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, crochet women buncher designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, and sweater designs, open jacket designs, and cap designs, crochet baby collection like crochet baby frock designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, and baby cap designs, men cap designs, long dresses, and long gloves like. Fingerless gloves, short gloves, and in jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things. So dear friends, you can contact me anytime. So try this collection now. Goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then bye.